One of our biggest success stories with Roundstone is our ability to solve a problem with a private school in Chicago. Through the partnership, we've been able to control their costs year over year, plus offering the ability to have an underwriting dividend returned back to the school, which the teachers appreciate because it allows them to have a premium holiday, which they haven't had before.
I met with a small employer in the Toledo area. Very successful business, family-owned, second generation. Been around for 70 to 80 years. They provide a technical service in the heavy-duty trucking market. When we first met with this gentleman, the owner of the company, he was very frustrated. He said, when we have a problem, we do a root cause analysis. We dig into the problem. We look for data. We look for causes, right? And then we come up with a solution. He said it works every time, whether our problem is personnel related, whether it's facilities related, or if it's a competitive issue, we can usually come up with a solution. He said, but here I have this number 2 line item expense that's going up double-digit percentages every year, and I don't know why, and there's nothing I can do about it. And he was very frustrated, and when we told him about our solution, our funding strategy, just the transparency piece, right? Just knowing why his claims and his insurance costs were going up so much was enough for him to join one of our captives. So I'm getting that a lot from these small to mid-sized employers. They're just so frustrated.
The biggest success story we've had in working with Roundstone is the sustainability of this consortium that we manage and we created 14 years ago. By moving to a self-funded stop-loss captive from a fully insured environment, basically saved the captive, or saved the consortium. Had we not done that, it may have dissolved. And we provided a great alternative for these independent schools to continue in this consortium and grow it significantly since we've done so.
Another success story that a lot of advisors tell us is that the captive idea, or the pool association, the cooperative idea, is new and unique to their industry or to a certain trade, and they're able to go into almost any situation with a new idea. Because when you're partially self-funded, you can plug and play any type of cost containment you want to. And so the newest solution out there, the newest cost containment vendor out there, whether it be a mobile app, whether it be some wonderful call-in center that helps everybody, if you're partially self-funded, you can plug in all those new ideas to every employer. So anything that's unique and new, you can plug into this program and go out to the marketplace and differentiate yourself from the individual to selling just fully insured, and this is what the sandbox looks like, and you have to play in the sandbox.
One of the biggest successes of working with Roundstone is that we've been able to take mid-sized companies that have experienced significant rate increases from your traditional sort of fully insured market, get all of the claims data, so the full transparency to actually see what is going on in their business. We've been able to address those issues with risk management tools to hold down the cost and help those employers, take control of their plan. And the end goal is to flatten that renewal trend line and provide them with all of the tools to win in the market. That's the success of working with Roundstone.
When Roundstone looks at its success stories, certainly the fact that we've grown to the size company we are today, and it makes us feel good. But really, we look at things on an individual employer and employee basis, and that mission that we have of the employee benefit expense not growing by more than inflation every year. When we do that, we achieve that, and we do that for an awful lot of our customers, that's a big success. And I say that because we have spoken to employers that say, hey, if I don't fix this, if my employee benefit expense continues to go up by double digits, doubling every couple years, I'm going to have to close my doors. I'm going to have to go out of business. We just can't sustain this company with this type of runaway expense. So when I sit back and say, hey, what's a success story for Roundstone? it's keeping that business open. It's having that business owner and those employees have not only their business but their jobs, and bringing that employee benefit expense to a level that is manageable, and we believe that should be at the rate of inflation.